Yo, what's poppin'? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Pretty Boy Rob, and I'm gonna be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. Hey Google, what is the most popular sneaker brand in 2024 on StockX?
According to Fashion Dive, ASICS continued to dominate sales on resale platform StockX, growing 589% year over year in the first 7 months of 2024, according to a Thursday report.
For this video, we got one of the most popular sneakers of 2024, which happens to be these ASICS GEL-1130s. These shoes are looking horrendous, super dusty, but we're gonna bring them back to life using our signature shoe cleaning kit. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, before we really get started, we gotta prep our cleaning station. I already got our cleaning mat laying down, which will allow us to have a nice clean surface. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab our bowl, which is our dry rack bowl combo, which acts as a storage for your brushes, plus you can pour your water. So I might as well do that right now. Since the water's in the bowl, it's only right we grab our 4-ounce bottle of solution and we can squirt a squirt. This stuff is highly concentrated. One bottle should clean over 50 pairs of sneakers. Next, we are gonna use all 3 brushes for today's cleaning. Your soft bristle brush, your medium bristle brush, plus your stiff bristle brush. All those brushes do come inside your signature shoe cleaning kit, plus your sneaker laundry bag and a microfiber towel. We can go ahead and get started with our adjustable shoe tree first. I'm just gonna place this inside our right shoe. Since that's the shoe we're gonna be working with today, we'll set this aside for that good old before and after purpose. Now we can go ahead and remove these laces. All right, to start off this cleaning, we are just gonna use our soft brush and dry brush, kick off all this extra loose dirt, just so it's not getting pushed deeper in the material once we really start getting down and dirty. Man, these are some dusty joints. Sorry. All right, that's gonna do it for the first half of our soft bristle brush. I was able to dry brush and kick off most of that loose dirt and grime. Several trapped in stains, especially on this tongue and this toe box. As I was brushing the shoe, I was able just to give it a closer look and really examine it and try to put my thoughts on it. I'm not the biggest fan of this shoe. I know a lot of people are rocking with them more for comfort versus style, but let me know in the comment section down below, do you prefer comfort or style? But with that said, let's go ahead and get started with the soft bristle brush. Our soft bristle brush is gonna be mesh's best friend. The bristles are extremely fine and delicate and not gonna fray or snag this material by any means. All right, we are all done with our soft bristle brush. I'm just gonna use the towel right now to wipe off some of these dirty suds to see what type of stains we're still working with. Moving on, we are gonna use our medium bristle brush. I am gonna work on this midsole as well as some of these leather panels. Not gonna focus on this mesh because it is extremely delicate and I don't wanna fray or snag that material. But with that said, let's grab the medium bristle brush and work on this midsole. All right guys, as I'm wiping off the suds with the towel, what I'm doing is I'm actually wrapping it around my finger like so, and then I'm kind of scratching at the white mesh. I'm noticing that it's able to lift off some of the stains. All right guys, all wrapping up with the towel. Using the method I talked about, I was able to get some decent results, especially on the toe box. But right now, we are gonna jump to our stiff bristle brush. But before I do that, I wanna talk to you guys about our October giveaway that is now live. You have a chance to win your very own Travis Scott reverse olives or medium olives, whatever you want to call them. They could be yours. Don't worry, you're not gonna get my smelly old pair. You're gonna get your very own in your size. All you gotta do is comment down below your sneaker size plus your Instagram handle and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. But with all that being said, time for me to get back on it with the stiff bristle brush. So let's get it, let's go. Our stiff bristle brush is designed to get the most deep and effective clean on any midsole. Regardless of how many grooves and crevices your sneaker has, this brush is gonna get deep and make it nice and pretty. All right, the uppers, midsoles, and outsoles are looking nice for this sneaker. All we gotta do right now is take care of this white lace. It is extremely dingy, so I'm gonna spend extra love right now. If you've never cleaned some shoelaces, I'm gonna break them down in a couple easy steps. First, put your laces in the bowl of water and just swoosh them around like so. Back and forth, you can really start noticing that the bowl of water is generating a whole bunch of bubbles, which is a great sign. From there, you have to blow a bubble. Okay, you don't have to do that, but what you do have to do is put them in between your hands and then just scrub back and forth like so. This is really gonna allow you to wring out all that grime. I mean, just check it out. Next, you're gonna wanna grab your microfiber towel and you can really just wring out these laces. A couple other steps you can do, especially if they're extremely dingy. I like to do some of mine. Just put them in a bowl of water with solution, maybe even some OxiClean, and just allow them to sit for about 24 hours and you're gonna get the best possible results. Also, another key thing you can do to help flush your laces is put them in the sneaker or inside your laundry bag and wash with cold water on a normal cycle when you're washing your sneaker. With that being said, it's about time we do that. So why don't you guys go ahead and follow me to the laundry room. All right, guys, it looks like one of our shoe care specialists is currently washing the shoe in the washer. If you guys didn't know, we actually have a service where you could send your shoes into us online and a shoe care specialist will clean them up. Since the shoes are in the washer, I'm gonna take care of those next. But make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the video because you never even know, I might drop an exclusive promo code to save you guys some dollar bills. All right, here we are. It's been 3 days and one haircut later, but I am back and these are the results we are working with. I do want to mention off camera, we did have to put the sneaker in the washer one extra time just to really deep clean and flush out the mesh upper. So I want to let you guys know, if you have a mesh shoe or even canvas shoes at home and after that first wash, you're not fully happy with it, it is perfectly safe to put the shoe in the washer one more time. But before I get these shoes laced up, I do want to talk to you guys about our newest product launch, which just happens to be our Reshoevn8r X OxiClean sneaker and hat foam cleaner. This product works great. I've been cleaning my hats with Reshoevn8r for years now, and now we got this stuff, which makes cleaning quicker, easier, and more convenient. Shop now, Reshoevn8r.com. All right, there it is. That's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these all-white ASICS 1130. Let me go ahead and just bring in this dirty pair so you can see how well we got down. These results speak for themselves. You can get results just like this by copying your very own signature shoe cleaning kit or any of the products that are available at Reshoevn8r.com. I highly recommend you guys checking out our brand new OxiClean. That stuff works great, again, for a quick clean, but you can also use it as a pre-treatment to really break down the grime and then let the laundry system do the rest of the dirty work. Last but not least, I got an exclusive promo code coming at you guys to save 20%, but it's only good for the first 20 orders, so you better act fast if you're trying to save some dollar bills. That code's ASICS20. Again, ASICS20 to save 20%. With all that being said, my name's Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll catch y'all in another one. Peace.